Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix your Jio Set Top Box remote when it's not working.
Fix 1. Check batteries. Step 1. Open the battery cover. Step 2. Replace with new batteries. Step 3. Make sure they are inserted correctly. Fix 2. Restart set-top box. Step 1. Switch off the Jio set-top box. Step 2. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 3. Repair remote. Step 1. Point the remote at the box. Step 2. Press and hold the OK, number 1 buttons together for 5-10 seconds. Step 3. Wait for the pairing confirmation. Fix 4. Reset remote. Step 1. Remove the batteries. Step 2. Press and hold any button for 10 seconds to discharge. Step 3. Reinsert the batteries and try again. Fix 5. Use Jio Remote app. Step 1. Install the Jio Remote app from Play Store. Step 2. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi. Step 3. Use the app as a temporary remote.